Look at the SanLorenzo ANMAX 108. What a cool platform in the back. Super nice modern yacht here at Pier 66 at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. If you want specs or information, hit us up, yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, yachtspecsdirect.com. If you want a complete yacht buying guide and consultation, you can hit us up, yachtbuying101.com. And we get you all the information on how to get pre-qualified and take you through either the new build or the brokerage process. Yachtbuying101.com. Reporting here from the Fort Lauderdale show, Pier 66.